What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to review the CO smoke alarm, and this is the smoke alarm, or the carbon monoxide and smoke alarm that I got from Amazon.com. I just bought this for $15, and you could use this for your household, caravans, and marine craft. And I'll show you what it looks like inside. So this is the actual unit, and it comes also with this all step redeem gift card, but you need to give them a good review in order for the seller or the third party seller to give you a free gift. And that's for the Amazon free gift. They give you a $5 gift card, and also it comes with the user manual and the instruction manuals how you use this one, and also it comes with the screw and also the fastener, the wall fastener that you could just use it. And this one, you need to open this, need to twist this. Twisting this, I'm gonna twist it. I'm gonna show it to you. Once you twist it, so this is the housing that you need to screw it to the wall. And the battery, I have a stock of AA battery. You need to get your own AA battery, and you need 2 of this. And yeah, this is my first time to use this one. And once you put the battery, you could test this by pressing this test reset button. So once you press it, this is what you hear. Press it, you see that? So once you hear that the beeping sound, it means to say the carbon monoxide or the smoke alarm is already activated. And all you need to do, you need to use this screw. You need to put this to the wall. But what I did, because my wife requested me not to use this screw, she doesn't want me to put a hole on the wall, through the wall. So what I did, I decided to use my glue gun, and this is the arrow glue gun that I use. You could buy this from Home Depot. I got this for $10, and you need to buy also the glue stick. And the glue stick, it cost me like $6 from Home Depot. And what I did, instead of using this screw and the fastener, I used the glue gun, and I glue the back of this housing plate. After you use this glue, put more glues, and then after that you could just stick it all the way through the wall that you would like to put this. What I did, I'll show you guys. And that's it. I already put it through the wall. That's what I put it. And then I put the label, which is February 20, 2021. I just put the new battery, so it reminds me when did I put the battery through this smoke or carbon monoxide detector. The reason why I just put that, I don't have a smoke detector through the kitchen, and that's my kitchen. Okay, so I put it there. So I hope you guys like my video, share, subscribe, and like my channel. And until next time, guys, may you guys have a wonderful day today. God bless you all. Bye for now.